Australia has just made a major move in the battle for online safety. The Senate has passed a groundbreaking law banning children under 16 from using social media. With reactions pouring in from both sides, including parents, mental health experts, and the tech giants themselves, the debate is far from over. Stay with us as we dive into the details of this world-first legislation. Coming up in this report.
Australia has passed a world's first law to ban children under the age of 16 from using social media platforms. The new law targets platforms like TikTok, Facebook, Instagram and others, making them liable for fines if they fail to prevent underage users. The bill was passed by the Australian Senate by 34 votes to 19 after clearing the House of Representatives earlier this week. Australian Senator Matt Canavan warned that young people are angry and this could lead to significant change in Parliament.
They are totally angry and those people are going to grow up and they're going to keep voting. And I think there's going to be a lot of change coming to our Parliament years to come if we keep ignoring those people like we are tonight.
Senator Sarah Hanson-Young also criticised the bill, saying it doesn't address the dangers young people face on social media.
It doesn't actually make social media safer for young people. And that's the devastating thing about this. Because we know that there are families who are struggling with this. We know there are young people who are struggling with their body image, their connection with their community, their peers. Young people who are finding themselves addicted to these dangerous algorithms. But this bill doesn't do any of that.
Some argue that the ban could harm vulnerable children, especially those who use social media for support, like in regional areas or the LGBTQI community. Online safety campaigner Sonia Ryan, whose daughter was murdered by a predator online, called the vote a monumental moment for protecting children. Critics worry that the law was rushed to the Parliament and could isolate children, depriving them of social connections and pushing them to more dangerous corners of the internet. Mental health experts have raised concerns that banning social media access could worsen isolation for many young people. Platforms have warned that the law would be unworkable, urging a delay for more research on how to enforce it. Some critics believe that the law is a political move ahead of the upcoming elections, aimed at addressing parental concerns over social media addiction. While supporters see the law as a necessary step, others fear it could be ineffective and harm the privacy of all social media users.